Congratulations to today. It's a big day for you. You managed to crack a podium. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay. The race was a bit tough until 35.
Yeah.
Then it got better because of the rain. It was very hard on the legs because it's up, down. But all in all, I really enjoyed it.
In terms of the preparations, what are more the TNU?
Me and my training partners and
Yeah.
coach, we did more long runs as we did it last year, and we saw what was the problem, or it was a bit tough.
Yeah.
But then now coming here, I came with more long runs, so it felt better.
Yeah. In terms of the training that you guys did prior to coming here, what sort of training are we talking about?
It's more mileage. We did more 40s, 50s, and about 260s.
Yeah.
So as we are preparing for the comrades, it's up run, so you need all the mileage that you can get. So this was part of the preparation.
Yeah. Surely maybe this was also a preparation for comrades.
Yes.
Yeah. And then your target for comrades, how is it looking like?
The aim is to finish.
Yeah.
It will be back to back for me. So the aim is to finish.
Yeah. Talking about o tlhalose ntlha ya maemo a bosa gompieno gore go ne go na le pula. A ke itse kgetlo la ntlha o taboga mabelo a na leng a o e leng gore o fitlhela go na le pula mo teng.
No, it's not the first time, but then today it was more. Usually the rain will start after we have started the rain, like after 5, 10. But today we started with it. It was very hard on the legs.
Yeah.
But it was a good preparation.
Congratulations, my
Thank you
sister.
very much.
Ke a leboga ngwana.